Hello everyone, this is Lavina and welcome to my channel. Now let's get into the topic, and in today's video I will be telling you guys what is a cloth diaper, what are the types of cloth diapers available in the market, and how can you find a good fit for your little one. Come, let's see. In this section, we will see what is a cloth diaper. As the name suggests, it is definitely somewhere between a nappy and a disposable diaper. Its absorbency is more than a nappy and definitely lesser than a normal diaper. It's made of cloth, so yes, there is no usage of any fiber or plastic material, which is somewhere good. Now comes the main part. It consists of two parts. One is the insert and the other is the diaper. They come in cute prints, right? The insert is really important because the absorbency power depends on the choice of your insert. Also at the same time, finding a good diaper is also important because everything is held up here. So, a good combination of the two will definitely help you and your child to be in these cloth diapers for a longer period of time. Now we'll see what are the types of diapers available. In this section, I will tell you types of inserts available and then I will tell you types of diapers available. Here we'll see the type of inserts. This is a microfiber insert. Its absorbency is somewhere around 2 to 4 hours and it is made of a material of a little hard towel, so it is suggested that it doesn't really come in contact with child's skin. If you still want to use it, you can. It's up to you because every child is a little different. The second type of insert are the bamboo inserts. The one that I am showing is a charcoal bamboo insert. As the name suggests, it's charcoal because it's black in color. There are white colors as well available and they have a better absorbency as compared to the microfiber inserts, and also they are a little on the expensive side. They do not come free with the diapers, so we have to buy it separately. They are of a very soft material. The third type of an insert is a trifold insert. As you can see, it is a rectangular shaped cloth. It is called as a trifold insert because we generally give a three-fold to it and then we use it with the diapers. This one is not a pure cotton one, it's a combination of cotton and hemp. The hemp inserts basically increase the absorbency, so that's why I preferred using them. There are normal pure cotton ones available and I will be sharing the link in the description box. I have used them as well, but I don't have it handy right now. Now coming to the types of diapers, this one is a diaper cover and we generally use them by keeping an insert in the center and then wearing it to your child and then wearing it to your child like this. The other type of cloth diaper is this. This is a pocket diaper. We generally get a microfiber insert free with this diaper, and as the name suggests, it has a pocket inside which the insert goes. There is also one more type of diaper available similar to cloth diapers in which the inserts are actually attached. I found these more useful, so I don't have them. I will definitely share the link again in the description box. You can check out. Otherwise, they are completely similar. Now we'll see how to find a good fit for your little one. We'll start with diaper covers. In all the diapers, whether it be diaper covers or pocket diapers, there are these buttons which are basically used to adjust the waist of your child. And these are the buttons to basically adjust the height. So these pocket diapers, they can be used from 5 months up to 3 years of age, and when your child is say 5 months, you can basically put it to the lowest height available and the size will become smaller, and you can adjust the waist as well. And once he grows a little older, maybe you can go to the second level of height. So the second level of height will be using the second button. Once he has outgrown this size as well, you can just open it and you will get the max size available in the diapers. They generally are useful up to definitely 3 years of age. And here, as you can see, it doesn't have a pocket, so whichever insert we use, it will come in direct contact with your child's skin. So here I never used any microfiber insert. I did try charcoal bamboo insert, but here I actually found a problem that it was basically wetting these sides, and I was a little scared that it might cause a rash. The wet cloth might cause a rash to my little one. So then I basically switched to trifold inserts, just so that you know that these diaper covers can be used 2 times or 3 times, so they are reusable. Just that we have to be careful that it is not, these sides are not getting wet, because yes, definitely that causes a problem of a rash very easily. I use trifold inserts mainly with these, and you can use it normal, but what I used to do is, rather than a normal trifold insert, I would go for a little conical shape. I will keep it like this so that you can see. So I would basically use it like this, a little more coverage on the upper area, and so it would go in this conical shape. And again, to tell that this will be basically a slant line. This will give more coverage on the back portion, and yeah, it was more useful, I felt. You can just flip it, and as you can see that this insert is bigger than the diaper cover, which is okay. So what generally we do is, for boys, we basically fold the upper portion to give it more absorbency again, and for the girls you can fold the back portion. And yeah, once I would fold it like this, I would then put it around him like normal diaper or a nappy. And now coming to the pocket diapers, as you can see in this pocket diaper, I have already inserted the microfiber insert. You can use anything here, because obviously, as you can see, it doesn't come in direct contact with your child's skin. Here also majorly I used charcoal bamboo insert only and only for the reason of better absorbency. Also, a lot of parents do end up using 2 inserts at a time. You can, it's not a problem at all, but I actually found that my child's hips are looking a little more bulky, so I never preferred it, but it's definitely a parent's choice. Please go as per your ease. And a lot of parents also do double inserts during the night so that they sleep well, and if they wish to use cloth diapers in the night. For me, I have always been been using disposable diapers for the night. I have never used cloth diapers for the night, because once I used it and it didn't really go well. But yes, for the entire day in the shopping or either while going to the play area, all the time my little one would be on the cloth diapers. Here again, I would like to say that it has the first line, as you can see, goes for the waist size adjustment. The second line here is an extra. These lines are generally available in a lot of brands like Bumberry and Alva Baby and Baby Hug. This one is a Baby Hug diaper. In their diaper covers also it is available. So there is this extra button. This is just to give a proper fit around the thigh area. So this portion, as you can see here, should fit properly so that nothing comes out. So you can use it that way. And you can adjust the height. Again, the height adjustment is the same. Just note that these pocket diapers, you cannot reuse them again. Whenever you change it, you will have to just put them for wash, unlike the diaper covers. So, if you are able to find a good combination of an insert and a diaper that works well for you and your child, then a lot of problems around cloth diapers are already solved. Again, to mention, it is very important to find a proper height, proper waist and proper thigh measurement for it. Now I would like to give you a few tips that really helped me in my cloth diaper journey. The first one is train everyone around you, whoever is going to help you with your child. Be it husbands, grandparents or any of the other caretakers. I know it seems to be a little one-time effort, but it is definitely worth you and it will be helpful for you. The second is, if you are planning to use cloth diapers for your newborns, so there is a separate category of newborn cloth diapers, you will have to buy those. I will mention them in the description box below if it helps. And yes, you will have to buy them separately, which are used for the initial few months of the child. The third is that you might be able to see a little red imprint of the elastic of the cloth diaper around the thigh area of your child, but that is completely fine until and unless it really doesn't hurt your child. This you can actually judge by the one that we get around our waist area when we are wearing a little tighter jeans. The fourth is that I know that buying these cloth diapers might seem a little huge investment, but if you're going to use it extensively like me, it's just a one-time investment and it is definitely a huge cost saver in the long run. The fifth is that since the cloth diapers drying and the washing routine does take around a day, so you might have to keep a couple of them handy. Again, if it helps, then I had started with around 8 diaper covers and 12 or 13 trifold inserts, and then we also added around 5 pocket diapers to our collection. This was too much to take in, right? But everything will fall in place slowly and gradually. Give it some time. I hope this video was useful. I just wanted to make it for all the parents out there who are really wanting to use the cloth diapers but do not have enough information in the initial stages like me. I would not really take a lot of your time today. It was a very long video. And so, bye for now. See you next Wednesday.